shop. Today's project is, as you can possibly see, the heater for the 51 Willys Wagon, and I've soldered the connections on and gotten it ready for, I hope, installation into the vehicle this evening when my friend Carl comes over. But this is my hokey pressure test system, which I'm hoping will show that there are no leaks on these particular connectors. Just right here, that's all I really need to know, is that there's no leaks on those two soldered joints. I don't care about out here. I just need to know that there's no leaks there. So we'll go outside, set it up, and see what happens. Well, here we are. I have my lovely assistant here, and she's going to be wondering what the heck's going on. I'm not sure that this is going to be the right thing to do. What we're hoping to do is pressure test this system, and if a leak happens right here, I'm in trouble. This valve is closed. Main water pressure is on. Okay, I don't want to worry too much about that, but it does influence my perception of whether there's a leak on the other one. Too bad. I kind of think we're okay. Doesn't seem to be leaking here, doesn't seem to be leaking there, doesn't seem to be leaking there. There's a certain amount of pressure on the system. I'm going to call that a success. So I prepped the firewall. I tested the heater electrically. I did the soldering. I tested the soldering. In theory, it's all good. All the tools are set up and ready to go, but that's no big deal. And I'm heading to Harbor Freight tomorrow in Port Angeles to pick up an English wheel and a box brake. Well, here's the new English wheel and bending brake. I'm really looking forward to getting them. Thanks very much for watching.